Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your SSD or solid-state drive isn't showing up in either disk management or BIOS on your Windows computer. Let's go through some straightforward troubleshoot steps to resolve this problem. First, make sure your SSD is properly connected. Check the SATA cable is firmly plugged in both to your SSD and to the motherboard. A loose or improper connection can cause the drive to not be detected. So ensure everything is secure before moving on. Now the next thing that you have to do is open disk management. To do this, click on your search option and then just simply type in the search section, create and format disk partition, and you should be able to see this option. Now just simply open it. Now look through the list of drives you have. If your SSD isn't showing as a formatted disk, it might appear as unallocated disk, which you can see right over here. It will show up as an unallocated disk. If you see an unallocated space that corresponds to the size of your SSD, then what you have to do is you simply right-click on it, then just simply click on Select a new sample volume. Now just simply click on Next and then just follow the steps that will be shown to you on the screen. Click on Next. Over here, just simply assign a drive letter, whatever you want. Then over here, just simply give a drive name and also ensure to perform a quick format. As you can see, it is checked. So then all you have to do is just simply click on Next and then finish the process of initializing and formatting your SSD, making it usable again. And after the formatting is complete, all you have to do is just simply restart your computer. So go to Start menu and then click on Restart. Now after formatting and restarting your computer, the changes will take effect. And once the PC boots up, check the disk management again and see if your SSD has appeared as a recognized drive or not. That's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve issues with your SSD not showing up in the disk management or in the BIOS. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.